All right, I'm here hands-on with the new Apple Watch Ultra 3. I'm going to show you the 3 coolest new features. So it has a new 1 Hz display, so it's going to, the always-on display is going to refresh at 1 Hz, like the Apple Watch Series 10 and now the Series 11. You can see that second style going right there. We have the new sleep score, which if you look right here, it says 99 excellent, and it actually tells you how it rates your sleep score. So if you scroll down, let's tap on it right there, info. We're going to be able to see our duration. So we got a 49 out of 50, that's really good. Bedtime, 30 out of 30, 3 minutes earlier than average. Interruptions, 2 wake-ups, 12 minutes total. And it kind of explains how your sleep score is calculated. It's based on the duration, bedtime, and interruptions. The closer you are to your goal, the more points you earn. So ideally you want to get to 99. I'm excited to test this out and see how high my scores are going to be. A cool new thing on the top left here, you can actually edit your sleep schedule. So if you want to set an alarm, all this stuff is much easier to access than before. So that wasn't there before in the sleep app as well. And then the satellite, you can go ahead and tap the satellite button right here. We can see try demo. If you have a clear view of the sky, you'll be able to connect to a satellite, do emergency SOS, and there's certain things you can do to be able to answer information to emergency services, to be able to send and receive messages, and be able to get help if needed. But that's like a big one. If you just want to send your location to family and friends, you can do that too, as well as messages. And that is the satellite demo feature right there. This is the all-new Apple Watch Ultra 3. The screen's going to be brighter. You're going to be able to view it even brighter at an angle, as well as if you look at it from right here, it should be brighter than the previous Apple Watch Ultra 2. The screen is also more durable. There are some new band colors as well, but from a form factor, it's going to look very similar. The screen is slightly bigger, so I don't know if you can kind of see right there. The bezels have shrunk, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3 has a much bigger screen. I'm excited to test this out. Comment down below what questions you have about the new Apple Watch Ultra 3, and I'll be sure to answer them in a full review video once I get more time with this device. Subscribe, turn on your notifications. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.